Hi, I'm David. Welcome to Stuff. This is the second ever video. Thanks for checking in. Today I'm going to give you a real quick, fun video. Okay, so I like getting cool watches. I like getting cool watches that not everybody has, and I like getting them for cheap. Okay, so that's what I like. One way you can do that is if you buy a watch that's a good watch, it's got a good heart, it's got good bones, but maybe it looks a little bit rough. A lot of people will see that, you know, maybe on eBay, and they'll just pass right by it. They don't want to mess with it, whatever. But if you have a watch that everybody else overlooks and you can scoop up for pretty cheap and easily clean up the watch, I mean, you'll end up with a great watch that you got for very little money. Alright, so today I'm going to give you as an example, this watch. This is a Sears Swiss-made mechanical watch from the 70s that I got on eBay, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to it to make it look awesome. But before I do that, I'm going to have to do a wristwatch check. Boom. And this is one of my... Okay. Here. Alright. My producer's telling me this is now in the shot. Good. Thank you. This is one of my vintage Vostok Amphibia watches. I love these things. If you don't know about it, you should. Check them out. Okay. Now that's it. Let's get into it. This is an awesome hand-wound mechanical watch, Swiss-made by Sears, from, I'm gonna guess, the 70s or so. It's a fantastic watch. It came on this, can I call this a bitchin' strap? It came on this bitchin' rock and roll strap. It's a really nice piece, and it's got an acrylic crystal. And you can see it's a little scratched up. It's not terrible, but once the light catches it, you can see it's definitely got some wear. But that is no big deal. Alright, so I'm going to show you what to do if you want to get a watch that's got a little bit of wear like that. Boom, Polywatch. So you get Polywatch. You can get it on Amazon. It's like 10 bucks, something like that. I get the one that comes with a cloth. Some of the ones that they have don't have a cloth. Some do. This just makes it easier. So just put a little drop like that right there on the watch. And then just rub it in a circle. Okay, so after the first application, it's a little bit improved. But because acrylic is a plastic, and basically what this does is wear away a very thin layer of the surface, you can do it again and just wear off a little bit more of the surface until it all comes down evenly. I'm not a stickler about it, so I don't go until there's absolutely perfect crystal there with no scratches or marks or anything. It's going to get banged up anyway, and I'm not trying to pretend this is a brand new watch. So it still has a few little scratches there. You can see when I bring it up very close, but It's pretty darn nice for a 40 or 50-year-old watch. Alright, that's it.